Hi, my name is William Smith. I'm with Green Power North Carolina, and we wanted to show you our take on a Trex pergola. Green Power North Carolina was actually started in 2007. We've been doing unique solar designs. That's kind of been our bread and butter. That, we were always the outside of the box kind of thinkers, and we do a lot of pergolas and covered canopies and covered parking. We also do traditional installs, but our true focus is on doing unique and groundbreaking designs. The homeowner approached us about moving from the indoor to the outdoor living space. We contracted Trex Pergola to see if the structure could support the solar panels that we needed. Turns out that it could. So what we did was we brought in the structural Trex Pergola to allow us to mount solar directly onto it, which basically gave them a skylight effect, but on the outside. And then we took it one step further and screened it in also. So the installation took about a week. It was rather seamless. We also had panels up in that time. The advantages to doing a solar Trex pergola was that it lets about 15% of the light through, so you get this great feel of being in a room with skylights, but you don't have all the extra sun on top of you. About 85% of that sun's blocked out. The homeowner truly enjoys the outdoor living space, but she also really enjoys being inside in the air conditioning when she opens her monthly utility bill, and it's only $13.